Welcome to our educational journey into the heart of computers. In this chapter, we'll explore the essential parts of personal computers, laptops, and peripheral devices. Let's start with the powerhouse of computing, the personal computer. Meet the CPU, the brain of the computer, tirelessly processing instructions. Here's the RAM, storing data for quick access, like a handy workspace for the computer. The storage, where data resides long-term, including the operating system and your files. The motherboard, connecting all parts like a central hub. And finally, the power supply unit, converting electricity into usable power for the computer. Now, let's shrink down and explore the wonders of laptops. The keyboard and touchpad, your gateway to input and navigation. Behold, the screen, where information comes to life. The battery, providing the freedom to roam without needing an outlet. Lastly, we find the CPU, RAM, and storage, working just like in a desktop. But these devices can improve their efficiency by using peripheral devices. Peripheral devices are like sidekicks, enhancing the computer's abilities. The printer turns digital into physical with ink and paper. A mouse is your trusty navigator through the digital landscape. A keyboard helps you to type and provide input in the computer. Need more space? Here's an external hard drive to the rescue. And lastly, the webcam, capturing moments for video calls and more. Lastly, let's talk about connectivity ports. Connectivity ports are the gateways to connecting with the world. USB ports for connecting a multitude of devices, from printers to external drives. HDMI port for linking your computer to external displays, like monitors and TVs. And audio ports for speakers, headphones, and microphones. And there you have it. From the brain of the computer to the peripherals that expand its horizons, understanding these parts opens up a world of possibilities. So, let's keep exploring and unlocking the wonders of technology together.